Tappet Noise. Now listen carefully. A sharp metallic noise is heard in the idling stage from the upper side of the engine, and it increases with the rise in engine RPM. The causes for the tappet noise are: more tappet clearance. Adjust the tappet clearance. The standard limit for both the valves is as shown. Remember, the tappet clearance should always be set in cold condition of the engine. The other reasons for tappet noise are: loose tappet screw and nut. Confirm condition of the threads. If damaged, replace the nut and screw. Worn out rocker arms and rocker shafts. Worn out camshaft lobes. Replace the defective parts. Check the cam lobe height for the intake and exhaust. The cam lobe height standard and service limits are as shown. More clearance between the rocker arm and the rocker shaft also lead to tappet noise. The standard limit and the service limit for the rocker arm shaft diameter are as shown. If found less than specified, replace the defective parts. Check inner diameter of rocker arm. The standard limit and the service limit for the rocker arm inner diameter are as shown. If found less than specified, replace the defective parts. Missing of 3 diagonally placed washers between both rocker arm and head cover can cause rocker arm axial float, resulting in head noise. Replace with a new set of washers.